Everyone, good morning. So, naalala nyo ba na si Jesus Christ meron siyang pinagaling na isang bulag? So, that time, nung nasa harapan niya, yung bulag na yon, may nagsabi sa kanya na, you know why kaya siya bulag? Kasi, merong evil things ang ginawa, kaya siya bulag. Pero, si Jesus Christ nag-refuse siya. Sabi niya, no. He is inborn to be blind. And Jesus said, He is born to be blind for us to see the glory of God. Sa buhay natin, kadalasan, pag merong nangyayari sa ating struggles, ang ginagawa natin, we find ways to solve that problems. Pero, minsan, si Jesus Christ instruct us to be still. And napakahirap ang sumunod kapag ang pinapagawa sa atin to be still. Yung wala kang gagawin. Yung mag-stay ka lang. Because God wants us to trust Him. That He can do something about us. Na siya naman yung gagawa ng something to see the glory of God. For us to see the glory of us. For us to experience the glory of God. At napakahirap yun para sa atin kasi we always wanted to find ways. We always wanted to solve the problems by our own. So, Jesus Christ allows those struggles na pinagdadaanan natin kasi He wants us to be still. He wants us to trust Him na He can do something behind our back na talagang bibigay ng ka-glorify kay God na God is amazing. At mahirap yon ang sumunod na wala kang gagawin. Kasi kadalasan, we train to be independent to do something. And sometimes, we have to listen. We have to follow the instructions of God to be still. Kasi pag siya yung gagawa, tiyak yun, hindi natin ikapapahamak yun at ikakabuti natin yun. Kadalasan kasi when we find the solutions to the problems by our own, mas lalo pa tayo napapahamak. At maging lesson to sa atin. Hindi lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin hindi makakabuti sa atin. May mga pinagdadaanan tayo kasi God want us to learn something. At yun yung magtiwala ka sa Kanya. Na ibigay mo sa Kanya, na isurrender mo sa Kanya yung sitwasyon na meron ka. Kagaya nung dun sa bulag, na umpisa pa lang, when he was born, he stay not connected because the sight, he don't have that sight. But, may purpose si God. Kaya niya gagawin kasi in His right time, in the glory of our God, He can do everything na mas higit pa sa inaakala natin. Hope we learn something. Thank you everyone and God.